Hey guys, thought I'd show you the Content Viper. This is one of my latest tools, and this is currently in the process of being created. Every day updates are coming out. Release this to the Platinum members, and they got to see and play around with it and use it, and lots of changes have happened in the last couple of days, especially last night and today. And I just wanted to show you what's changed, what's different, and how doggone cool this is. Okay, so right now there's a big launch going on, and it's called Knowledge Broker Blueprint. Lots of people are on this launch. Lots of people are trying to promote it and get their information out there. And so I decided to do a pick of this today, and I'm going to show you what I did. Now, you got to think, this is a brand new product. It's not even gone live yet. There is content out there that people are doing, but let's say that you wanted to create some content for this product, and you didn't feel like writing it up yourself and spending all the time to create those articles. It'd be really nice to be able to pull something together yourself that someone else has done, and change it, fix it, edit it, and create a complete unique article off of it. Something that you could quickly copy and paste into any type of Web 2.0 website, Twitter, blog, whatever you wanted to do, and create some high quality content, even YouTube, and create high quality content and get it out there. So let's go ahead and double click on this. You can see I put one keyword in here, and I pulled up 7 different articles, or really 6 different articles. And off of these articles that automatically pulled, it went out and it scraped the top 10. And you get some really great content. That is some really awesome content right there. And what you can do is you can come in and edit this by just deleting it. So you can select stuff out of here that you don't want. Like I just, deleted a bunch of junk. You can format it. You can really change up the article, take out those extra spaces like I'm doing right here. And anything else that you think is just not going to look very good. But you can see this is a very long article that's put together, probably a very, very long bit in here. I'd say 2,000 characters or something like that, or 2,000 words, really, I should say. So let's say I just want to take that out. Take out that little bit about investments. We don't need that crap. Okay, so we've got some good information here now. Now, what I want to do to it is I'm going to scroll all the way back up here to the very tip top. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to generate spin tax here. So I'm just going to hit generate spin tax. And what it's going to do is it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but there actually is something going on in the background. And let's see what it does. It's going to update the spin tax here in just a moment. And it's pulling the spin tax from your API on Spin Rewriter. So you do need a Spin Rewriter account. Most marketers have that. Most people in marketing use Spin Rewriter and have put that information in there. So let's see. Okay. There we go. Alright, there's our spin tax. It's even spun the titles and the subheadings and all that fun stuff. So we'll scroll back up to the very top up here. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on add paragraphs. Okay. So now we've got paragraphs added in. And next thing that we can do is we can come in and say HTML generation decorations. It's going to add bolding, H1s, H2s. It's going to add all that great stuff in here. Overline. Just things that are going to add to your product. Okay, then we're going to come in and we're going to say this is what's brand new today. We're going to add videos in here. So I'm going to click on add videos. Alright, let me go over and pull over something I pulled up right here. So I'm going to copy this video URL. Of course you'd want to use your own video URLs, but I'm just pulling up someone else's video just to show you. And you can put more than you want in here. So we'll back up. Here's a great guy right here. I'm just going to pull this in. This is a great marketer. And this is Rick Porter here. Let me just copy his video URL.
So what's going on, guys? I'm really excited because...
Okay, let's see here. Share. Twitter, Facebook. Okay, I'm going to copy that URL.
What's going on, guys? I'm really
for his video. Thanks, Rick, for that link. We're gonna put Rick's information in here. Let's go back and see what else we can pull video-wise. Let's go over. Okay, we are on videos uploaded by Project Life.
How would you like to get over a...
Okay, this guy, I don't know who this guy is. And if you're watching this dude, his hands drive me nuts. When I watch this video,
$11,000 worth of free bonuses when you join the...
It just reminded me of an old-time typewriter. You know, it goes to the end, zip, goes back, ding, zip, ding. I'm like, oh my gosh, you're driving
Knowledge
me
Business
nuts.
Blueprint Training Program by Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi.
His hands drive me nuts. Once you see his hands going left and right, like a chef chopping up, you know, fruits and vegetables, it drives me crazy. Anyways, okay, my bad. Let's go ahead and copy his video URL. We'll put that in here as well, and we'll hit add. Okay, so it's automatically put it in here. Now, there will be another update coming out very soon where you'll be able to actually say, I want the videos in the top of the article, I want them random, I want them in the middle, I want them at the bottom, whatever like that. But for right now, it automatically put those 3 videos in here, which is cool. So we have those 3 videos right there. Okay, then we can also come in, we can add in images. You can import images. Oh, you know what? I told you guys there was an update coming out tonight. Look at this. The programmers actually already did it. Isn't that cool? So you can add your images in here, and now you can put your alt text in. This was the update that they just released just a moment ago. Very cool. You can import your images. I love this. Isn't this cool? And put the image URLs directly in here, so you could pull your image URLs right off of Google, pop them in, someone else created, and you could strip out the data by putting your alt text in here, 1 per line. And you could set your width and your height. Very neat. Thank you, programmers. You guys totally rock. Okay, so we've got our article, let's say the way that we want, and we can now save it. We can hit save as. We'll say KBB article 1 with video or something like that. Okay, we can hit save. Let's just say that we hit save and we save it. So we'll close this out. Now, there's something else out that we can do here. So that was article 3 that we edited in another video, which never saved, unfortunately. Camtasia, I hate you. Was Blueprint 7 here. So I'm going to do something here with number 3. So we just did number 3. We've already done number 7 on another video, like I said. But for this one that we just edited and got this all created up, remember, you can add your HTML images, and not your images, your links in here. So you can add your buy link, and I would definitely recommend putting that at the top. You can put your name in here. You can edit all of this information up and make it super cool. But let's say that we have our article. Now we want to hit generate article. And let's say number of source articles. You can do single, you can do multiple. Let's say that we do single here, and we could say article blueprint number 2. Oh, number 3, my bad. And you could say, okay, I want to generate off of this that I've already created, that I've already put images in, that I've already put videos in, that I've done all of my SEO and all of my great stuff to. Let's say I want to generate 3 articles of it, and I want to mix the sentences. I can hit generate. And it's that quickly. It just created 3 additional things in here for this. 3 additional articles. Or I could say, okay, I want to do multiple number of articles to use. Let's say I want to use all 7 articles. And I want to generate off of this 20 additional articles. And for this, I want to mix paragraphs between all of them. Excuse me. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that all the articles here, not just 3 and 7, you want to make sure that you edit all the articles to your specifications if you're going to use multiple. And you could easily do this by saying, okay, I want to use all 7 articles, or all 6 in this case, and I want to generate 20 additional articles off them. You could say 50. You could put it up and say I want to do 50. Let's do that. We want to mix paragraphs in between them. And I'm going to hit generate. Boom. There we go. So let's go ahead and close that out. Let's go find this folder. And here's our articles. Here we go. All of our articles. Just spit out. Highly spun. Great articles in here. With all of our spin text. with all of our information. Some of them will have video. Not all the articles I edited, remember, had videos in there, so some of them will not, just because I didn't have videos in all of those. But all this is unique content coming off that have been spun with sentences or spun with paragraphs, and all put together there. So that's a really cool feature, and this tool is just going to get better and better. And everything that you do is saved, so you don't have to worry about going back in and redoing everything. Once you've set it up, it is all saved in here. All of your articles are saved in here. You can come into your settings and you can change how deep you want the mix to go. If you want it readable, very readable, not very readable, you need to add your proxies in, and that's it. And this is what Content Viper is. So again, it's not very pretty looking right now. It's at the very beginning stages, so it doesn't have a real fancy face on it. But this tool is coming together super good. We'll have a ton of options, like I said. Languages are coming up. Everything that you can imagine, everything that you've wanted in a content tool that you haven't been able to get from other people, we'll have it. All right, guys. Thank you. Cheers.